Hi everyone, this time I'm sharing a super soft and gentle nail design. I believe these elegant, understated nails will bring you a soothing and peaceful mood. Both designs share the same prep steps. So let's start from there. Apply a base coat to the nail. Next, apply a sheer blue gel to the top and bottom of the nail. Keep it random and leave some empty spaces. Alright, now fill in those gaps with a milky white gel. Make sure to blend the edges naturally. Apply a layer of matte top coat over the entire nail. Now it is time for the watercolors. This yellow looks a little too pigmented, so we can dilute it with some water. Try to make the color as light as possible. We're going to do more than one layer for this part. Let the watercolor air dry naturally between each layer. This layering technique adds depth and gradually deepens the color. Once the watercolor is completely dry, seal the nail with a layer of base coat. Now we can create our first design on this prepped base. First, add some lines using white spider gel. Spider gel is perfect for creating these organic, uneven lines. Add some of your favorite charms. Apply a little bit of diamond glitter gel to small areas of the nail. I like to use my trusty beat-up brush for this. It makes the application look much more natural. Top coat the whole nail, and this design is done. Here is a nail tip we prepped using the same method. Use white painting gel to draw a 5-petal flower. I'm going to paint 2 layers in total, so the first layer should be a bit larger. You can also draw a few petals along the edges of the nail. This keeps it from looking too plain, without being too cluttered. Before painting the second layer of petals, let's add some color using the watercolor from earlier. To do this, we need to apply a layer of matte top coat first. Make it darker towards the center of the flower and lighter towards the tips of the petals. Apply a layer of builder gel over the entire nail. Now let's paint the second layer of petals. Make them smaller and paint them right between the petals of the first layer. Add so much more dimension, right? Add some tiny white dots to the petals and the center for detail. And here comes that trusty beat-up brush again, to lightly dab on some diamond glitter gel. Top coat, and it is done. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more and see you next time.